What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on this pizza sign which I got from... What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on this sign that I got from some guy on OfferUp for really cheap. I'm gonna try to make it custom because I'm obviously not sponsored by Pizza Hut. Look how skinny I am, dude. What I just noticed too is that these little designs right here, they're just stickies. They're just decals. They come right off, like right here. So I'm still gonna say these in case I want to, I don't know, fucking, if I do get sponsored by Pizza Hut or someone like that, just yank this shit out, set that aside in case you want to say that shit for later. There you go, save that one too. Clean, dirty. For the big mambo jumbo. Oh man, this is satisfying as fuck. Look at that. Oh yes, this is satisfying as fuck. Surprised how easy it is to take this shit off. Oh, that's fucking bull. Fuck it, the show must go on. I thought these shits were really strong, but I guess they're not. Easy now. Easy. Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there you go, we got a clean sign. Well, dirty, but clean of decals. Let me clean this shit real quick. Just gonna spray this shit down with some degreaser. So I fucked up, but I really don't like how the jig came out, and this shit is a bitch to take out. So I'm just gonna fucking just say fuck it and just freehand gapplebees.com there, see how it turns out. There, what feels like an hour later, I finally did that part, which I actually like. It kind of looks sloppy, but that's kind of the look I was going for anyway. Kind of messed up right here on the C and the O, but actually I like it. So there it is, almost like 4 hours later. I got the logo on there. I decided not to go for the Gapplebees website down there because I just thought, that'd be cool to have like a different side. I'll probably think of something weird to say right there, like a hashtag or something like that. Honestly, bro, I fucking love it. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.